Guys, today I'm checking out a game that I just downloaded. Guys, welcome to Hello Neighbor. Now, I'm sure a lot of you already know about this game, but I actually just downloaded it, so I wanted to check it out. This is actually the first time I'm playing this game, so don't be surprised if I literally stink at it. Tiny build. Well, I guess they're tiny because you have a very tiny logo. Dynamic pixels. Dynamic pick your nose. Unreal Engine. I know that company. I hear knocking on doors and I don't like it. This game has an autosave feature, whatever, an indicator's on the screen, your game is saving. Whenever a fridge is on my screen, okay, that's probably not a fridge. New game. Okay, let's check the settings. Okay, view, movement, inventory, use, run, throw, jump, and crouch. There's not very much buttons here. Let's start a new game. New game. Want to start a new game? Yes. I'm playing this off of PlayStation Plus, just like I play Slime Rancher. So I can play it for free. Cause my dad don't want me playing nothing that costs money. I really wanted to see if Roblox was on here, but that's only on Xbox, not PS4. Okay, is there a way to skip intro? Okay. Hey, it's a, hey, look at that, it's a ball. No, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Come back! I want the ball. Give me. I'm gonna get the ball. Come back, for Pete's sake. Oh, I'm supposed to chase the ball. Give it to me. I can't move! I just want my stupid ball. Am I supposed to memorize this? But I'm skipping, so I guess not. Give me the stupid ball. I just want the ball. Come back! I'm gonna get the ball no matter what, idiot. Give me the ball. I can pick it up. Pick it up. No! Please! Come back! Can I get hit by cars? Where's the ball? It's over here. Wait, run. I forgot that I can run. Come back! Ball, come back. Man, how far does the game... No! Wait, it's coming back. Yes! Please. Get it. Pick it up. Do something. Can I pick it up? Oh, wait, interact? How do I interact? How do I interact? Give me the ball! What the heck? You would think that. Give me the ball. How do I... Let's stop the ball real quick. No! Come back! I feel like I'm not supposed to be doing this, but I don't care. You know what? I don't care. I'm taking the ball anyway. But how do I pick it up? It's not being very cool. Oh, I can double jump. Cool. Okay, stop the ball. Now let me pick it up. I'm trying every single button right now. That's how I crouch. How do I interact? How do I interact? Come on. I don't know how to interact in this game. Options? No. That'll bring me to the menu. Please! So I don't know how to pick things up. I feel like that's gonna be a problem. Yes, let me interact with the stupid ball. No, wait! I'm sorry I called you stupid. I'm sorry I called you stupid. Stop. Do something. It's gotta be one of these buttons. Come on. Come on! How do I interact? I feel like I'm just gonna spend the entire video trying to interact with this ball. There's gotta be an interact button. I stopped the ball. I can try every single button. You would think that one of these would be interact. Nope, that's crouch. Wait, the ball's moving again. Please. Let something be the interact button. Guys, I don't know. I don't know, okay? How do I pick things up? How do you pick things up in this game? Ugh. Darn it. I should have paid better attention to the controls in this game. This is interact with the bolt as well. But I don't know how to pick it up. How do I interact? Can I open this? Something work! Please! Huh? I hear footsteps. Is the neighbor here? Oh no! It's the neighbor. Pick that up. Pick up the stupid... I picked it up. How did I pick it up? I threw it. Is it both of these? How did I do that? I picked it up. I don't know how. Do I have to spam these buttons? I feel like that's what it is. But it's probably not because... Oh, maybe I have to hold them down. Aha! I knew it! Cool. Okay, wait. Okay, I get it. Throw out the car! Stupid. I can't do anything with that. I don't have a key. So I picked this up like... I got a garbage can. Wait, can I still pick up the ball? Oh, that's cool. Okay, I'm just gonna throw the garbage can at the window. Yeet! Bruh. What happens if I hit the other button? Does this throw? No, this throws. Oh! I threw the garbage can. I broke your window, idiot. Oh, freak. Ew! Don't do that. Now you can't... Lol, this thing is like a force field. You are an idiot. Bro, what if I hit his head with a beach ball? Hold up. Get the beach ball. Get the beach ball! Pick it up! Pick up the beach ball. Okay, I got it. I'm gonna throw this at your stupid head. Hey, neighbor. Yeet. Bleep. Oh, that's how you throw. Okay, I'm assuming that he's gone. But I can't really assume anything in this game. Pick up the ball. Get the ball! Okay. So, hitting both of these throws. Hold up, wait, what? I have a big bright idea. What if I throw the lawnmower at his... neighbor, I turned on your lawnmower, and I don't know what that is supposed to do. Go to move... Oh! What happens if I... Pick it up. Wait, I can turn it off and on. Pick it up. Chuck it. Turn on. I'm not sure what that's supposed to do. Wait, does this thing actually mow grass? Hold up. Does it? Neighbor, your lawnmower is useless. It does nothing. I'm gonna turn this thing off before he notices. Turn that off. Wait. I'm gonna throw it. I'm gonna throw this at your head. Challenge me. Oh! Run! Hey, you came onto the road. You can't do that. I tried to throw a lawnmower at your head. You're lucky I hit the wrong button. Stupid. Yo, you're lucky I hit the wrong button there. Or else your head would have... Or else you would have gotten an extreme haircut. I feel like I should actually try to get into his house. Because so far I've just been doing absolutely nothing. Hey neighbor! You want me to throw this stupid lawnmower at your head? Is there anything I can really do with it? I mean, I can turn it on. Hold up. Wait. No, I didn't mean to chuck it! Stupid, he's gonna hear that. No, don't turn the... It's on and I'm holding it. I feel like this is dangerous. Turn it off! Get it. I'm gonna throw this at your... Wait, should I throw it at his head while it's on? Hold up. I'm quickly gonna steal your lawnmower. I'm gonna put it down. No, I'm gonna turn it on. Hold up. Yo, neighbor, I'm gonna turn this thing on and I'm gonna chuck it at your head and you are going to die. It's gonna shave your it's It's not just gonna shave your hair, it's gonna shave your entire face. Tried to challenge me! Ah! Take lawnmower! No! I threw it at him and it did nothing. Wait, what? Where am I? Am I in his house? I'm in his house. Nope, 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 nope. No, man, this... What? Is that the neighbor? Why is he crying? Is this a rare occurrence or what? I'm gonna open this door real quick. I regret nothing! Was that an Easter egg? I want to steal his lawnmower again. Give me the lawnmower. It's still on. What? Okay, I'm gonna turn that off. Give me that. I'm gonna chuck it at your window. Yeet! Are you kidding me? I think the garbage can might work. Hold up. Break the window! Yeet! I said, grab it! Yeet! He's gonna hear that. Where is he? You in my house now? There he is. Bro, you ain't getting no one. He's like, oh, you idiot. You're not supposed to be on the lawn. You dumb. Oh! So much for me throwing the garbage can. You just chucked that garbage can a yard. Please get out of your front lawn, idiot. What are you doing? Oh, hi. Bro, you want to know what I could do? I could literally just run through that door while you're out here. Because you're a stupid idiot. Can I get into my own house, please? I can. Bro. Open the door. Wait, what? I can peek through the... Wait, what? No, wait. I can peek through keyholes. That's creepy. I'm gonna open the door. This is my house, huh? Sure as heck hope the neighbor... There's something wrong with my radio. I feel like I'm missing everything about this game. Open the door. Open the door. The controls in this game are poo. Just go in your house! Can I... Hold up. I'm gonna go behind your house. I'm going behind your house. Wait, can I get in here? I cannot. Hello! I can't open this. Hold up. Can I pick up this box? Hey, check this out. I got a box now. Hey neighbor, I got your box. I'm ready to chuck it at your stupid head. Squidward. Chuck it. Chuck the box. What? No. You are a dingus. Idiot. Ha ha ha, you are stupid. You are stupid. I'm right behind you and you don't see me. At least I broke his window, finally. I'm turning on your lawnmower. What the heck? Turn off the lawnmower. Turn off! Uh-oh. I'm out of here. Lol. Did you just throw a tomato at me? I could have sworn I saw a tomato. Is the tomato still here? I'm throwing this garbage can at your head. Because you are garbage already. Lol. Stupid. Get out here to prove you're not a stupid coward. Bruh. This guy don't even care. Hey, I'm outside your window. I got a garbage can. This will be on your head. And everyone will know what you really are. I think I saw something in the neighbor's yard. Why isn't your house as big as I remember? Yeah, get out here, get out here. Take this! Idiot! Oh! I hit him! Get garbaged! Yo, can I do this again? Hold up. Do it again! Yeet! I missed. Screw it, I'm coming through your window. I'm coming through your window. I'm being a... Uh-oh. Nope. Get back in your stupid house. Italian food. You're officially Italian. Gee. I missed the window. I'm coming in your house! There ain't nothing you can do about it. I'm coming in your house. I gotta get a box. Is this guy taking a shower? He's on the other... Wait, what? He's taking a shower! What the heck is up with this guy? Okay, I got a box. I'm gonna take this box so I can get into his house. I'm gonna turn on your lawnmower. Where is he? Where is he? It like says he's close to me when I stand right there. Put it down, put it down. Put it down. I'm coming in! Oh. Hide, 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 hide. Hide! He's not here. What is this, doors? Ew, that's creepy. I'm taking it. I'm taking your painting! I'm gonna use your own painting against you. One eyeball will represent me picking your eyeball out with this eyeball painting. I just stole the neighbor's, I'm gonna start stealing things from him. I'm gonna take the neighbor's painting and chuck it in my painting. I guess that worked. I'm gonna start stealing things from you. Uh-oh. Screw it, I'm staying in your yard, idiot. I'm out of here. See you later. I'm going right back in your house. Ain't nothing you can do! Jump out the window! Nice! LOL! I just escaped through your window. Okay, that was actually sick. Let's see. What to do? Oh. Shut that door. You think that door's gonna let me? What the heck kind of music do you... Oh my god. What the heck kind of stuff do you listen to? I think the neighbor's Italian. He eats Italian food and he listens to an Italian guy speak for his... Did you just chuck my own garbage can? I'm taking your ball. I'm chucking it. Oh, free. I got your ball! Like you need it. I'm gonna try to hit that window. Uh-oh. Yeet! Oh my gosh. How realistic is this game? I see you. Ow. Did you just hit me with Italian food? You are an idiot. You can't even come on the road. Stupid. What are you doing now? Going to my house? Excuse me. I'm trying to break into your house, not like you break into mine. Are you gonna enter your house through your What kind of a weirdo are you? You just casually enter your house through the window? I hear screams coming from this guy's house. What the heck is wrong with you? I'm gonna sneak through your house. Open the door. Darn it. Yeet. Oh, it's your stupid TV. Turn off the TV! I think he heard that. I hear footsteps. I'm out of here. Oh no. Ew. Get away from me. Oh, he threw an egg at me. Where are you? I'm throwing this at your window. I'm throwing this over your house. Yeet! You obviously can't throw those very far. Then I'll throw a trash can lid at you. Yeet! Oh yeah. Did he hear that? That was very loud. I'm in your stupid yard throwing stuff at the house. Oh man. Oh man. I see ya. Exit your house through the window, just like you entered it. Hey, stupid! I'm over here. Did you just do a karate jump? You just did a karate jump over your own fence. Hey, stupid! What? He just... Do you practice karate? What the heck? Let's hide behind his car. Open. Open sesame. Can I get in the car? Wait, what? I think I can get in the car. Hold up. I'm in the car. Hey, stupid! I'm in your car. I'm in. I can't get in the car. Ah! Come on. Work! Stupid! Idiot! I'm trying to break into your car, and there ain't nothing you can do about it. Oh well. Oh! I don't have to use both buttons. That's a way easy. That makes things easier. Yeet! Where are you now, idiot? No, you're way over there. Yo, I can't get into this guy's house. Maybe there's a way to lure him out of it. Get over here. You are so stupid. Chuck it. Chuck it. Man, my guy is weak. I can break your window with this. Get it out your window! Bruh. Break the stupid window. Break the window! I broke it. I'm out of here. Lol. My guy can run backwards. I broke your window. My goal is to get upstairs. Let's get upstairs. Let's go. Do you call that music? Peek through the keyhole. Can I run out into the road? I'm out of here. I'm gonna go into this guy's house instead. Okay, he doesn't let me in. Hey, stupid! I'm in your yard. Is it possible to get hit by cars in this game? How far does the game let me go? Oh. My neighbor makes me want to suicide. Please hit me with your cars. This car's gonna hit me or what? I'm out of here. There were cars driving down the road. All of a sudden, there's none. I wonder if there's like a secret ending. Yeah! How the heck? How the heck much miles per hour was that car going? What? Excuse me, sir. I'm going to call the cops on you for speeding. Oh, the cars go through me. What the heck? How fast are these cars going? And did one of them just... Uh-oh. Wait, I can't get hit. What? What the heck? How fast are these cars going? Uh-oh. Bro! No, this is like... This reminds me so much of Roblox doors. Like, look at that! They just blast off to the moon. What the heck? No more cars, huh? I hear one. It doesn't let me on this lane. The cars go right through me. What the heck? I guarantee you I'm gonna forget which house even belongs to my neighbor. Come on, cars. Stupid. Come hit me. Do cars come from that way? Come on. Come on, ye caries, come again. Is that a car? I could have sworn I saw something move over there. Was that a car? Come on, ye caries, come ye to me. I will smack ye if you do not run me over ye. You super poopery. Remember, I'm a goofy goober, yeah. You're a goofy goober, yeah. If you do not hit me, yeah. So come on, cars, hit me, kill me, yeah. Where are ye? I give up. Come on. There's literally no cars. Why don't I just live in the city? Like this town looks like nothing compared to that city. I've been in Hello Neighbor 2. They're gonna have us live in the city. If they do, that'd be sick. Is it the neighbor? Hello neighbor, it's just your neighbor trying to get hit by a car. These cars refuse to hit me. Respect. I feel like this is the neighbor's house. Because I get a weird vibe from it. Open sesame! I'm breaking into your house. What is this a bowling ball? I want to throw this at the neighbor. Hey neighbor, I'm gonna hit you with a bowling ball. Oh man, that's gotta hurt. Wait, it's the car rush. I see cars. Hit me! What? Oh, I'm on the road. Whoa. I got a bowling ball and I'm ready to hit you cars with it. Did I seriously just miss the car rush? I like how I have infinite stamina. I'm not gonna miss the car rush this time, but I am gonna hit the neighbor with a bowling ball. Hey neighbor! You get the heck over here if you want severe brain damage. I'm not gonna miss the car rush this time. Hey neighbor! Get your big fat butt over here! Neighbor! Hey neighbor, look at me! I'm ready to hit you with a bowling ball. What the heck? Maybe I'll hit him secretly. Get your brain out! Oh no! I missed. Wait, can I outrun this guy? Hold up. No, go. I'm gonna outrun you. You're slow. Yo, this is an epic chase. Get the heck over here. I'm out. The bowling ball! Trip! Yes! The ball! Whoa! You are an idiot. Ha 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 ha. Now I'm gonna break into your house. Excuse me while I break into your house. Look, you don't see me. You don't see me because I'm crouching. You don't see me because I'm crouching. Idiot. I'm breaking into your house. I'm gonna break into your living room. Darn, I can't. Oh! Run! Ew. Don't hit me with tomatoes. What are you, a freak? A freaking idiot. Oh no! Go. I bet you're dumb enough to trip over the same bowling ball twice. Go! Trip over the bowling ball. No! I need to pick something up. Don't throw stuff at me. Grab it. I missed. Grab it! I got it! Yeet! I got him!